In this video, I will show you how to open the position, how to close it, and also how to set your take profit and stop loss, and we will go through the different types of orders. There are two different ways to open the position. The first one is quite easy. Here you can see the sell button and the buy button. All you need to do is just to set the right lot size. In the previous video, I showed you how to calculate your position, so you should already know that. If you set your lot size, you just need to click sell or buy. If you want to go buy, just click buy, and you can see this line here. That means the position was open in this place. You can check the progress by clicking on terminal. You can see we got buy order, lot size is 0.1. This is Euro USD. This is the price where the position was opened. Stop loss and take profit, it's not set yet. We're gonna do that in the second. And here you can see if you are in loss or in profit. So if you want to secure your trade, you can just grab this line and move it down or up. We are in buy position, so we should move it down. So for example, we're gonna set our stop loss here by the last low. That means that if the price will reverse and we're gonna hit this level, this trade will close automatically, with the loss of course. You don't have to watch the market all day. If you set your stop loss, you can go out, and when you come back, you will get stop loss or take profit, of course. So now if the stop loss is set, now we need to set our take profit. You can do that by grabbing this line, the same like we did with the stop loss. We just need to move this a little bit higher because we want to go up with the price. So this will be our take profit. If you look on the left hand side, here it's showing how much we're gonna get. We're gonna get $26. If you move this line down the bottom, you will also see how big loss will be. And here you will see number of pips points. Okay, this is 263 pips points. That means this is 26 pips. Okay, so we're gonna set our take profit. Let's say we're gonna set it over here, and our trade is secured, and we got our take profit set as well. So our trade is secured with the stop loss, and then we got take profit as well. All we need to do is just to wait and see how this trade will end up. If you decide that you want to close the trade earlier, you don't want to get to the full take profit, or you want to just move this take profit, you can just grab this line and move it. If you're gonna be in profit, you can secure your trade on break even. Let's say you want to secure the trade on 0, so you don't want to risk anything. You just move this stop loss to the entry point, and now I'm not risking anything. If the price will drop, my trade will finish and it will be on 0. But if we're gonna go higher, we're gonna get full take profit. This is quite simple. You can see we are in profit now. We got $5 in profit, and we are not risking anything. There's no risk at this moment. You can see the price went down and the trade was closed automatically on 0. We didn't lose anything, so the stop loss is working. Okay. There is other way to open the positions to set different types of orders. You can do that by right click on the chart. You can see here you can set sell limit order. That means that if the price will get to this level, the trade will open in that direction. The other way to open the position, you can right click on the chart, go trading and new order. You can see this window right here. Here you can set your stop loss straight away. All you need to do is just copy the level. You can set your stop loss straight away. All you need to do is to enter the right level. You can see the price levels on the right hand side, so you can choose where you want to set your stop loss and just type it right here. The same goes with the take profit. Okay, here you can see the button sell and buy by market. If you click on sell, the trade will open. If you click on buy, also the trade will open to go up. But we got few different types of orders. If you check on here, we can set pending order, okay? If you click on pending order, you can choose from buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So what's the difference between limit and stop order? If you set limit order right here, sell limit, if the price will get to this level, it will open automatically. to go down, okay? So you're gonna sell from this level. If you want to set buy limit, you can do that, but you need to do it from the other side, okay? So if the price will drop to this level, it will open buy position right here to go up. You can add to this order stop loss and take profit straight away. It's up to you. And the other types of order is buy stop. This is a little bit different. If you want to set buy stop order, you can do that. For example, if you're gonna set your order right here above the price, and if the price will get to this level, the trade will also open, but not to go down, but to go together with the direction, okay? Together with the trend, for example. So if you set stop order, this is stop. If the price will get here, you will open position to go up. Limit order means that if the price will get here, it will open the trade, but to go down. That's the difference between stop and limit order. There is a little bit easier way to set those orders. I will show you that right now. But before we do that, you can see here there is expiry. If you tick this, you can set your limit order or stop order. You can set expiry date. For example, if you want to set buy limit or sell limit order or the other ones, you can do that. You can set the time when this trade will be removed from the chart. So you need to set date and time, okay? Set buy limit order at the price 1.8180. And I want this trade to be removed from the chart at 5 p.m. Then just click on place. You can see the order is set. So this is buy limit order. So if the price will drop here, order will be opened to go up. But if the price won't drop here by 5 p.m., this order will be removed from the chart. You don't have to do nothing. It will be removed automatically. Okay, like I said, there is easier way to set your pending orders. You can do that by right click on the chart. You can see here you can set your sell limit order. You cannot set your buy limit order above the price. You need to remember. But it's quite easy because if you click above the price, you can see you can set only sell limit order. If you click under the price, you can see you can set buy limit order. So that's the difference, okay? Right click, sell limit order, and we got our position on the chart. Of course, before you're gonna click that, remember to set the right lot size, okay? So when this order is set and you want to add to it stop loss and take profit, just double click on it. And here you can set your stop loss. Let's say it's gonna be at level 1.09170. That will be our stop loss, and take profit 1.08720. You can see stop loss and take profit is set. You can move this position wherever you like. You can change stop loss and take profit, so we can get ready. You can move it, for example, right here, and wait for the position to be activated. Like I said, if the price will get here, the trade will be open to go down. This is our take profit, and this is our stop loss. If you want to remove this from the chart, you can just right click on it, remove it, click on delete, or you can see this cross right here, just click on it and the trade will be removed from the chart. If you want to set buy stop order to go up, let's say together with the trend, just right click on the chart, go trading, and here you got option buy stop. And the same, if the price will get here, the trade will be open to go up. If you don't want to set your stop loss and take profits straight away, you don't have to worry, because you can add that later on. You can see the trade is open, and you can, when the trade is open, now you can do it like this. Just move it up or down, stop loss, take profit. You can put it wherever you like, okay? Trade is secured. If you're gonna get to this level, you will get some profit. If you're gonna get to this level here, you will be in loss. Of course, you need strategy to get some profits, or it might be luck, but better to have strategy. And maybe in the next video, I will show you the simple strategy, what you can use to start with the trading. Okay, we got stop loss and take profit set. We can do one more thing, guys, trailing stop. You can add trailing stop by right click on the position right here on this line, click on trailing stop. Don't choose any of this, because this trailing stop will be too tight, okay? Go custom and set, if you want to set 5 pips trailing stop, you can do that. Just type how many pips points you want to set your trailing stop. So not pips actually, but pips points, okay? 50, okay? We got 50. I've clicked on 50, you can see the trailing stop now is working. So if the price will move up, trailing stop will also go up. So it will automatically follow the price to secure your trade. But you need to remember, you can see it's moving up. You need to remember, if you want this trailing stop to work, your computer must be on. If you turn off your computer, stop loss and take profits will work, but trailing stop won't work. So remember about that. You can see it's moving up, it follows the price. This is quite good way to secure your trade, okay? So basically that's it. It's quite easy to open and close position, to set your orders, pending orders. You got demo account, so try to practice this. And in next video, I will show you simple strategy what you can use to make some profits. If you want to find out how to get capital for investing, join our upcoming webinar. Just click the link below.